Have you ever been captivated by the soothing sounds of whispering, or the gentle tap of fingertips on a surface? This enchanting phenomenon, known as ASMR or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, evokes a warm waterfall of relaxation cascading down the spine. It often begins with delicate triggers, like soft-spoken tones or the soothing crinkle of paper, igniting a sensory experience that dances blissfully around the mind. The allure of ASMR has drawn millions into its quiet embrace. Some viewers find themselves sinking into relaxation after a long day, using ASMR as a balm for their anxious thoughts. Others discover its power to coax them gently into slumber, lulling them into a peaceful trance. The scientific underpinnings of ASMR remain a compelling mystery, as researchers probe into why these sounds can cradle the spirit and soothe the soul, forming a hypnotic cocoon. Equipped with sophisticated technology, ASMR artists utilize high-quality microphones to capture every delicate sound with astonishing clarity. These artists create immersive auditory experiences that whisk listeners away to tranquil realms, embodying the full essence of ASMR. From the mesmerizing soft whispers to the crisp sounds of tapping, viewers are encouraged to embark on a delightful journey, exploring the vast range of ASMR triggers. So whether it's the inviting sound of crinkling foil or the comforting sensation of personal attention role plays, there's a world of relaxation awaiting those curious enough to tune in.